Hey guys, welcome back. Let me guess. You clicked on this video because you are a teenager who's looking for ways in making money online. Or maybe you know someone who is a teenager and is also looking for ways to make money online. Well, you clicked on the right video. Because today I will be showing you 10 different ways on how to make money online as a teenager today in 2021. Now there's also another good news. This isn't only applicable to teenagers. This is applicable to all of us. Now maybe some of these methods are not for you, but I'm sure that you can still make money online with this. If you have been watching my videos for a long time now, then you already know what I'm about to say next. And if you're new, well, welcome to Mr. Make Money. And I advise you guys not to skip any part of this video because you might end up missing on important details, and we don't want that to happen. Because if you miss out on important details, then there's a possibility that you won't do the methods correctly. And if you won't do it correctly, then you might end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that. So I want you to sit back, relax, stick with me until the end so that when this video finishes, you can then start earning money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Make Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now the first website that we'll be tackling today is a website where you can sell your old homeworks, your old notes from class, your study guides, or even your flashcards, anything that will help students learn. So what you're gonna do is, of course, you have to create an account, and once you've logged in, it'll look like this. By the way, this is studypool.com. Again, this is studypool.com. All you have to do is click on Sell Docs right here, and then once your documents get approved, you can now start earning money online. Now for me, I still have $0 here because we just created this account. But if you go over here to Sell Docs, you can see that the top earners right here, there are 3 top earners all time right here. We have Alan Mitch at first with over $160,000. We have Parmesan with over $120,000. And we have Checksmax with over $110,000. Who would have thought that your notes in high school or in college will help you earn money online? So again, all you have to do is just upload your documents right here, and then people or students will then buy them from you, and then you will earn money. Now let's proceed to the second website, and this is over at Cambly.com. What is Cambly? Cambly is a website where you can be a tutor. You can teach people to speak English. So if you know 2 or more languages, then this is perfect for you because you can earn money by tutoring people how to speak English. So if you know and if you're fluent in 2 or more languages, then I advise you guys to use this to your advantage. Alright, so that's 2 methods in how to make money online. Now let's proceed to the third method. And the third method is by selling on Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you're someone who has a lot of things in your house and you don't use them anymore, then Facebook Marketplace is the best place to get rid of your things. And as you get rid of those things, you earn money online. Because there are a lot of people online who go to Facebook Marketplace to buy things. Now, you might have something that they need, right? Okay, that's already 3 methods on how to make money online. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back. So for the fourth method, this is video editing. Video editing is a skill that you can learn over time. If you know how to edit a video, then you can offer your skills to people online. You can connect to businesses, you can connect to different companies, you can connect to different clients, and offer your service as a video editor. And you know what? Video editors get paid a lot, especially if you land a good company. Now for the next one or for the next method, this is creating your own FIVERR gig. Now maybe a lot of you may say, not this FIVERR gig again, but hey, let me tell you something. In order for people to pick you, in order for clients to hire you, you have to be different. Now, a lot of these people on Fiverr, they offer the same thing as others. They copy other people's work, or they copy how they do or how they market themselves. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be different, right? So instead of just putting examples of your work online, I suggest you do a video of yourself telling them that, hey, this is what I do, this is what I can offer you, and this is why you should hire me. Now, if your clients see your face, if your clients see how you talk to them, then this guy will say, this guy knows what he's doing. I should hire him. This guy knows what he's talking about. So that's what I advise you guys. Go over to Fiverr, be different, put a twist in your introduction. Show them what you can do. Show them who you are. And that right there, my friend, is another way in making money online. Now, for the next method or for the next way in making money online, we have affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of the best ways in making money online because you earn money passively, especially if you put your link out there. So what you'll need to do is just refer different products to your friends, your family members, or on social media. There are a lot of websites that offer affiliate marketing right now, especially online shops or online shopping websites like you have ClickBank, you have Amazon, you have Alibaba. There are a lot of online shopping websites out there, but my personal favorite is Amazon. They have Amazon Affiliates Program, right? So this is why I love Amazon, right? A lot of people shop online on Amazon. For example, my family members, my friends, and other people on social media. Now, what I usually do is when they have something they want to buy, I ask them what they want to buy and I go over to Amazon.com and get my own affiliate link for that specific product. And then when I get my link, I give it to them. And when they get it, they get to buy the product. I earn money with commissions. Now, I'm not going to teach you guys step by step on how to use the Amazon affiliate program because there are already videos out there here on YouTube on how to do that. And if you want me guys to create a video about that, then leave a comment down below. Now, before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment, where do you usually buy online? Since this pandemic, a lot of people have been buying online. Let me know down below what's your favorite shop. Alright, now let's proceed. So the next one is selling digital products on Etsy. What you can do is you can create templates which you can sell. So you gotta put it out there on Etsy and just wait for people to buy your template. You know what? You'll never know how many people will really buy templates right here. So if you want passive income, then I suggest you guys to do this method. Sell digital products on Etsy and you will earn money. At number 8, we have here drop servicing. Now, if you don't know what drop servicing is you using other people's services and then you sell it to other clients at a higher price. So for example, you have a client and he wants a logo done within 24 hours. And then you tell him, yes, I can deliver you that logo within 24 hours for $50. Then what you have to do is go over to FIVERR.com. You look for someone who can deliver a logo within 24 hours and you have to make sure that they charge it lower than your price to your client. So for example, they charge $20. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pay them $20 for the logo, get that logo, and then sell that logo to your client for $50. Welcome to the business world, my friend. But let me just tell you, don't abuse this method. Don't overprice it too much, okay? Now for the next one is drop shipping without Shopify. Now you might be asking me, hey, is that possible? How can you drop ship without Shopify? Okay, so I just discovered this recently and I am here now and I'm going to share it with you, okay? So what you'll need to do is you'll go over to a platform like Etsy, okay? You search for things like handmade candles or handmade necklaces, something like that. And then look for a product. For example, this one right here. All you have to do is take a photo of this, post it on Facebook Marketplace. And then if someone buys that product on Facebook Marketplace, you buy that on Etsy. But you're gonna use their address and put it on Etsy so that the product will go directly to them. Now, of course, when you upload that file on Facebook Marketplace, it should be at a higher price, right? So that you can make profit. Now maybe you might think that this is ethically wrong, but that's how dropshipping works, and you don't have to use your own money with this. You can just use their money directly and then you earn some. And now before we proceed to the last and final way in making money online as a teenager in 2021, I want you guys to comment down below what country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Now let's go back. So for the last and final way, this is being a graphic designer. Graphic designers are in demand today. You know what? A lot of YouTubers, a lot of businesses, a lot of content creators are looking for different graphic designers out there. Now, if you don't know how to design or if you don't know anything about graphic design, then you can go over to Google or you can go over to youtube.com and search for tutorials on how to do that. And then once you already know how to design, how graphic designing works, all you have to do is create a portfolio, create a very nice and decent portfolio where you can show it to your clients, you can show it to social media, you can show it to people everywhere. This also applies in video editing or any editing that you can do. And again, I'm gonna tell you guys that this is a skill, which means this is learnable. So let's say you're someone who has a lot of time in your hands. Now what I suggest to you is go over to YouTube, learn about graphic designing, learn about video editing, learn about whatever you want to learn about, and then use that, utilize that, create things, make things, and put them out there for people to know that you can do that. That way people will then hire you as a graphic editor, as a video editor, as a graphic layout artist, and so much more. And you know what? You can even go into the freelancing world where you can earn more money. And again, guys, I'm gonna tell you this is not only for teens, but this is applicable to everyone in every age. As long as you want to earn money online, you can absolutely do all of this. There's no excuses. And that's it! If you guys like this video and if you guys learned something, then don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have comments, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!